Hey y'all, it's me Azalea and you're watching my YouTube channel WayCrunchy. Today I am sharing with y'all one of my favorite natural, clean, just as natural can be, one of my favorite self-care, beautifying, favorite things to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you that today, and I'm also going to be sharing with you this Dossier Perfume. I've got 2 scents here and a discount code for you guys with the Dossier. So my favorite thing to do, and yes, I even do this to John, I got him to do it last time, is I need a cucumber and a vegetable peeler. And I first started getting into this when I was watching a lot of ASMR videos and like spa videos where you watch the whole treatment. And I started doing myself at home, and I just love it. And I'll show y'all how I do that and tell y'all all about that. First, I'm going to tell you about the Dossier Perfume. So Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. Y'all know I love a deal. Keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all of the expenses and like the brand tax. You know, you're paying for the name, right? So with Dossier, they have a risk-free system allowing customers to try the perfumes before committing to them. If the customer decides to return the scent, they offer a 30-day return period in which customers can return any unsealed 50 milliliter Dossier perfume and get a full refund, just no questions asked. So let me show you the scents. This is how it comes. And so this is the Floral Honeysuckle. And let's see. All right, so we have the Floral Honeysuckle. It's inspired by a Gucci scent, and let's see how it is. Where do I want to? I don't want to spray 2 different perfumes, so I'm going to spray it on the box. Oh, that's good. That smells like a pretty lady, and that smells like some kind of real life flower I've smelled. There's a flower I can't quite put my finger on. It is floral though, definitely floral. It's good. It's fresh. It's not heavy. It's this is nice. I like this a lot. It's good. Floral Honeysuckle. It's a good one. So the perfumes, all the perfumes on the site, they've got all the different scents. They're all $39. So comparative designer scents are like $50 to $280. So anyway, $39 for these dossiers. It's free returns and exchanges forever. So they do bulk deals for up to 25% discount with free shipping for 3+ bottles. So if you order more than 3 bottles, they're always adding new scents. So let's look at my second scent. So this one is the Wood Peony. Y'all love peonies. The scent of a real life peony is so good. That's why I picked this one. Let's see if this is anything like a real peony. All right, I'm gonna spray it on the box again. It's good. It's really good. I like it. I'm gonna spray a little more. So the top notes are supposed to be peach, leche, like bergamot and freesia. Bergamot is why I picked this. I love bergamot scent. I'm definitely getting the bergamot coming across. This is good. I feel like the Woody Peony is a little bit more of like a nighttime perfume, and the Floral Honeysuckle is a little bit more of a daytime, out and about, working and whatnot, playing with children type of perfume. So I got the Woody Peony, very good, and I got the Floral Honeysuckle, very good. So I'm gonna be smelling nice, y'all. Now, I'm gonna be smelling nice, but I also want to have nicely hydrated skin. The vegetable peeler is key here, first of all. All right, raise your hand if you do this. I gotta tell you who this is specifically good for and specifically why I do it. So I'm in pretty good lighting right now, but you know, I had a major dog attack, so I've got a lot of scarring on my face and a lot of redness and pinkness to my natural skin tone. So the cucumber actually reduces just the pinkness and redness in my face. On the days that I do a cucumber mask, like I'll do it a lot of times at night, and then that night, the whole next day, I'm a person who moisturizes with like heavy moisturizer, oils, every single time, or I dry up and peel and flake, even in the summer. But I don't apply any lotion, any oil, any other product after I use a cucumber mask. So you can slice it and do your eyes. That's so classic. But you get this peeler. So especially if it's not, or if it's from my garden, I will also use the outer peels, but you can tell this big old honker was from the grocery store. I don't want to necessarily trust the outer peeling. It feels waxy, so I'm going to take that off, and then I'm going to go for the good stuff. Look at this. And it sticks so perfect. Oh my God. I keep it in the refrigerator, so then it's extra cooling. And I layer it on my face. So y'all have been with the channel for a long time remember Fred, my hairless dog. So I was definitely on low waist, as close to zero waist as I could get, kick. And that's one of the reasons I loved this as a beauty treatment, because I felt like it was totally zero waste. No packaging, just the cucumber. I would put it everywhere. And look, I'm up straight. It just sticks right to the face, right? And then when I was done, when I take it off, Fred would eat my cucumber peels. So it was like totally zero waste. That dog loved all vegetables. Anyway, so I, on a typical night, will pull my hair back. This is such a wonderful feeling. Very refreshing. So I will do the whole entire face. And like, if I got a big old cucumber, I mean, I might bring it on down here as well. John thinks I look really wild when I'm covered in my cucumber peels. And I suppose I do. But it's worth it. So I do I put them on my lips. Like I put myself like I'm in mummy bandages. And I lay there for just a very long time. And it's nice because I'm not gonna even look at my phone. I'm not gonna watch TV. Here's my little daughter. Hazy.
What are you doing?
Doing my cucumber mask. Do you want a piece? No, for your skin. You want to eat a piece?
Hey, Ma. Mama?
What, have you been eating peanut butter and jelly?
No.
Clean your face with this cucumber juice.
I done my chicken noodle soup and by a bicycle.
Oh, you had a popsicle. That's what it is.
Mom, let me try. Mom, let me try this.
Ah! Here, you try.
No, I don't.
You're going to do it on the plate? Let me hold it.
Okay. It's sharp.
You don't want to shave your skin, but it's not too dangerous. Don't get the seeds. Kind of get a side bit.
Oh, I did it. What the? Where's the flame?
Maybe do it towards you.
How do you eat it?
See? It's natural and glorious. This is one of my favorite things to do. Raise your hand in the comments if you also do the cucumber mask. Or I'm telling you, if you don't do it, you really should.
I eat it.
I feel like this is not based on any science research I've read, but I feel like it detoxes me. I feel like I look better. I feel better. I don't need any lotion. I feel great about it. You can eat it. It don't get much more clean than that.
And a poison.
Y'all, look in the description of this video for a link and for my discount code if you want the Dossier Perfume. And I'll holler at y'all next time.